Yo, what's up, y'all? L up on CertificateSound.com. We right here. We about to unbox this box here. Let's get it in. Got my trusty knife here. So this is what we got. Komplete Kontrol A25. Now, let's open this up. Alright, so we got USB cables here. Check that out. We have the paperwork that's actually taped to the box, so they did me a favor. Thank you very much, Native Instruments. Now, let's crack open the plastic, and here we go. There's also plastic on the keys itself, so we must peel that off. This feels like opening up a brand new box of an iPhone. Then you have this stuck underneath to protect the keys. Nice. So first, let's see. On the back, you have your simple functions here, your simple inputs, your USB, your foot switch, and a place to lock your keyboard in, locking mechanism, whatever. Don't want anyone to walk away with which keyboard. And then here on the front, the design here just matches the new the A line of Native Instruments. So we don't have any screens on here, big screens that is, but here's the little screen that matches the MK3, the micro MK3. And you have all your basic functions, your play, your record. Now I noticed the buttons are a little bit more clickier than the other products. This is more rubbery, and these are hard rubbery, hard plastic. It feels rubbery, but it's harder and much more clickier than usual. Whatever. That's it for the unboxing. I appreciate you guys tuning in. We shall dive deeper in another video about how this works. I mean, it pretty much, if you follow me, if you subscribe to the channel, you already know how Native Products works. But this is one in the wild in regards to size. There hasn't been a 25 in a while. So I'm excited to have a 25. I don't know if I can stick this in my bag. I have to find a bag that's actually tall enough to fit this. But other than that, I mean, it's more so like your mobile setup. Yeah, I'm cool. LFKSound.com signing out. Remember, music is art. You, the artist, paint your pictures. Remember, stay creative without rules.
Enroll right now and unleash the creativity that lies within you. KU.creative.com. Creative University. Stay creative without rules. One more thing. If this voice intrigue you and the music make your soul move, my name is Ellen. Thank you.
I'm done.